today I have a solution if you need to charge your battery. This device will charge almost all kinds of batteries, all the way from 12 volts up to 72, maximum 20 amps. So we're talking about what, like cars? What else we have?
Golf carts, trucks, boats, SUVs.
And anything that runs a battery is a cell phones. Let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. We have the camera, we have Menina. So Menina, what do you think about this?
I like it so much. Looks very pretty.
Yeah, it looks like an old school dial type of old movies. Yeah. So this is a battery charger, and the nice thing is a multi-voltage. So you can charge devices that are 12 volts. It's like cars. I'm not sure what 72 volts will use, but this is in 20 amp maximum. Very simple, and I show you what we get in the front. Let me swap the screens first. All right, so let's look from the back, and from the back we see the power, a fuse, and overload switch. And right in the front, that comes with a nice handle. It's not too heavy. I think it maybe weighs about maybe 10 pounds, I think. Now let's look from here. The really important, guys, if you are in tech and you need to charge a battery, you will understand this. So we got the power on and off. This is the amp. Now be aware, only is going to show you here if your the battery is discharged. You're going to see the amp going up, depends, so it can go up to 7 amps. It means it needs charge. As the thing gets charged, eventually it will drop 0. When they drop to 0, means your battery is full charge. Now here we have the two, where you're going to hook up the two pros. We got it right over here, right? You put it right over there. Even comes with the free USB adapter and 2 fuses. The power cable, ensure, and simple instructions how to use the battery. Now let's look at the voltage here so we can see it right. So we got 0. It starts from here, so let's goes all the way around actually. So it's 72. All right, so we got 72, we got 60 volt, 48, 36, 24, and 72. Now here we have a low, so let me move this so you guys can see low, high, and so we got low, medium, and high. Now when you're going to charge a battery, if you're not in the rush, I would say the best thing to charge any battery, you always charge low. You want to make sure the battery charges real low overnight, at least 8 hours until the next day, and you will see the amperage going down. 1 is 0 is full charge. Now if you're in a hurry, you need something right away in the next 2 hours, then eventually you can do high or you can do medium, and it will give you a boost on the battery. But technically, always battery is the best thing to do is charge low. So this one will do that for you, and you got all the multi-voltage, and it's ready for 20 amp. And it's pretty simple. Make sure you plug red with red, black with black. But when you set to the low voltage, set the right voltage, whatever the battery is ready for. In my case, I will set it for 12 volts. If you have any other type of battery, set it there, turn it on, pay attention to the amp so you know if the battery requires charge, and next day, if that's 0, it's done. So when you plug it in for the first time, and I want to show you that. So when you plug it in, you turn it on. After you see that's on right now, let me see, we can see that. That's on, that's off. You see nothing happen, right? Remember, only is going to show you here when you plug the battery. So when you plug the battery, you're going to see this going up. Depends if it requires charge or not. Pretty simple device to use, and it comes real handy if you got to charge batteries or boats. That you leave it. You're not using it for a year, and you want to make sure the battery is full charge. For more information on this battery charger,
all you have to do is click the link below.
Thank you, Menina.